Bago tayo magsimula sa ating recipe for today, munting paalala lang. Pag nagluto ka nitong adobong paksiw na pampano, siguraduhin may sinaing at ito ay tamang dami. Walang kasing saklap yung ganito kasarap ang ulam at walang lutong kanin or bitin. Hiramin ko ang tagline ng paborito kong vlogger na Kath and Jean. Solid ito, promise. At napakadali pang gawin mga mamis. In a large pan, mag-layer ng chopped tomatoes, shallots, and garlic at ilagay ang isda on top. Pwede ang ibang meaty fish like tilapia, galunggong, hasa-hasa, mackerel, or tulingan. But the best dito para sa akin ang pampano. Top the fish with ginger na pampaalis lansa and more shallots and garlic. Maglagay ng ibang pampalasa like peppercorns, bay leaves, and salt. At samahan na rin ng siling haba at siling labuyo for a spicy kick. Ibuhos ang vinegar, soy sauce, and olive or avocado oil. Takpan and bring to a simmer. I like to occasionally drizzle the sauce over the fish to infuse flavor, but really, madaling pagluluto ito at hindi mo kailangan bantayan. Make sure lang wag galawin at haluin during the first few minutes ng pagkulo para maluto ang strong acid taste ng suka. Continue to cook until the fish easily flakes with a fork. Napaka-moist at napaka-flavorful talaga ang pagkaluto nitong isda. Perfect match with steamed rice. Enjoy!